This is the coolest bench I've seen, I think, in Switzerland, honestly. I'm gonna turn around here, I don't have to move. This is so beautiful here. Now you will see the two people on the bench again. I mean, look at this bench right there, guys. I mean, isn't this the coolest spot for a bench? Where you can go on a date night, or I don't know, just go there with some friends. I mean, look at the view we have here. It's so insane, guys. And the cool thing is there are like no houses or anything next to that bench. Wow, I wish I could ride there with the bike, but obviously that wouldn't make it as nice if you could ride there. And here are the other amazing benches from a really, really beautiful viewpoint. Wow, look at these curves. It's like out of a movie. Literally like out of a movie. See, at places like this, guys, I don't even want to ride these curves fast because I want to enjoy the nice view. And if you ride them fast, you have to focus on the street, and yeah, there are too many people just enjoying the sun and everything here, and I don't want to disturb the peace. That's a really cool house to live at as well. So cool. This was a really cool idea that I got the idea to go up here, because I wanted to show you this place for a long time already. Look at the view we have when you live here, guys. So nice. And now the leaves are changing the color. The autumn is coming in Switzerland, guys, and it looks so beautiful. And this is the time where most people put their bags away, actually. They go in here. Some people probably don't like to see me recording here. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not saying the name of the place anyways, so yeah. Hear the cows up here again, so nice. We're gonna slow down. So many people hiking here. I mean, I understand it, it's so beautiful. Gotta be really careful here, guys, there's so many people. Also kids doing sports. That was kind, they were waiting for me to go past. Like they're taking the whole street, it's so funny. And people are so kind here, guys, it's crazy. You know, in other countries, people just would pass the street and not look around. But in Switzerland, people actually have some respect. Here again, guys, look, they're waiting for me to pass. It's so cool. So cool. Now we go here. Well, that was nice, guys. That's a nice way to start my day. Ooh, it's still 30 here. It's 50 now. I really hope the mic quality is gonna be good, because I really changed the spot where my bike is inside of the helmet. I watched some videos of other people that do videos, motor vlogs, and yeah, oh, it's so nice. Here it's 80 again, I think. Yeah, it's 80. And now we're gonna go to the right here, guys. This is actually the thing that I wanted to show you first. I mean, the spot or the route that I wanted to show you first, I mean. But in terms of views, guys, I think the other one was, yeah, this one can't top it, the view that we had up there, I think. We'll see. But it's a really, really cool road. And I'm allowed to drive 80 guys here. There's part that can to the right. Oh, it's so nice, guys. Look at this road, guys, here. This is also really, really secret. It's so nice. Am I recording? Yeah, thanks God. That would have been the worst thing. Somehow I didn't record. Wheels here, through here. Cows everywhere here, guys. So cool. I mean, cows have a great life in Switzerland. I don't know. Oh, there's some traffic here. I'm gonna try to overtake them here. Yeah, I actually can. It's still 80 here. That was cool. We could overtake 2 cars. 60. And here it's 40. Makes sense, this whole wall here is blocking all the whole view, so it's basically you have can't see anything coming that corner, so it makes sense. I'm gonna overtake him here as well while I can. And I think now, guys, I was just thinking where we could go next, and I think the best spot to go from here is actually if we turn to the right here, and then we can ride up the whole mountain. I do think I've showed you that place in the video already, but it wasn't. I wasn't on a nice day, I think, as far as I can remember. It was a while ago, so I'm gonna just go ride through there again because it's a really, really cool ride. Really, really cool road to ride. So insane curves. There we go. People enjoying the nice weather, that's cool. I usually take a break there as well, guys. It's a cool spot for a break. Drink a coffee, enjoy the nice enjoy the sun there. Oh, so beautiful, guys. I need to go wash my bike, by the way, because I was riding when the street was wet, and now everything, the whole bike is dirty. I'm gonna do that after, I think. Such a nice road, and this is an insanely strong curve here, by the way, guys. That's also a little bit unexpected if you don't ride here a lot. curves are so much fun. This is an insane curve, guys. I've shown you this one before. It's so long, and you have to really keep your focus here. And also you have to have a perfect line. Because if you don't, you get screwed if there's a car coming on the other side. But look how long these curves are. There's the amazing view. Such a beautiful road as well. But I'm not gonna ride it up the whole way because I want to record some other spots as well, guys. And I'm most likely gonna stop recording until I arrive at other spots. Something is wrong with my bike a little bit. I'm not sure what it is. Honestly, what is this? Guys, it's like something with my chain seems to be wrong. Let me see again. Wait, this is so strange. Something feels off. I'm gonna check that quickly here. What is this? See, I really need to clean that. Should probably also oil my chain. Yeah, I really have to oil my chain. See, it happens again. I quickly have to give some real gas right now to check if it works properly. I don't know what that was. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, guys. It's too difficult to explain in English. But I swear there was something off. No, I don't feel it anymore. Yeah, it seems to work. I don't know what that was. Let's go down here.